Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of 5 names of colors. I am repeating, today our topic is names of 5 colors. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 12th homework. I am repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 12th homework. Students, take your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, that means all the writing elements. First we'll discuss about the names of colors and you have to pick them in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, look, our question is names of 5 colors. In your exam, you have to write names of 5 colors. You can write any names. If your spelling is correct, you will get all marks, that means full marks. And today, I am going to tell you 5 names. First, I am going to write the name of red. R-E-D. Red. Students, you know the color? I hope you know the color, right? Spell with me. R-E-D. Red. Again spell R-E-D. Red. Number 2. Can you say? Please think a color. Okay, can you spell green? Students, can you spell green? Okay, spell with me. G-R-E-E-N. Green. I'm writing G-R-E-E-N. Green. Now spell again. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay, now come to number 3. Number 3 is pink. Can you spell pink? Okay, spell with me. P-I-N-K. Pink. Again spell with me. P-I-N-K. Pink. Students, now think about the name of a color for number 4. Can you think? Okay, I'm writing here blue. The spelling is B-L-U-E. Blue. Spell with me. B-L-U-E. Blue. Now come to number 5. This is last number. And you can write any name of any color. So I'm writing here white. And spell with me. W-H-I-T-E. White. Spell with me. W-H-I-T-E. White. Now students, again say with me from 1 to 5. R-E-D. Red. G-R-E-E-N. Green. P-I-N-K. Pink. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-I-T-E. White. Students, I have given here 5 names of colors. No need to write this. If you want to write another name of colors, you can write. You can write black, you can write yellow, as you wish. But think that the spelling is correct. I'm repeating, if your spelling is correct, you'll get full marks. Okay, now it's time to give your homework. Your homework will be names of 5 colors. I'm repeating, your homework will be names of 5 colors. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 12. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. The guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT and SPM marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.